Meaning of egg and spoon race.
Egg and spoon race.
Egg and spoon race.
Egg and spoon race.
Egg and spoon race. The egg and spoon race is a traditional game played mostly at school sports days or family gatherings. The objective of the game is to carry an egg balanced on a spoon from the starting line to the finish line without dropping it. The game requires balance, speed, and concentration. It is often played as a relay race with multiple players. The winner is the first player or team to cross the finish line without dropping their egg. The game is a fun and competitive way to promote coordination and teamwork among players.